Welcome back to our mindful journey on this channel. In today's lesson, we will explore the fascinating topic of mindful relationships and communication. Before we continue, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our relationships greatly impact our overall well-being. By cultivating mindfulness in our interactions, we can foster deeper connections and more meaningful communication. Let's dive in. Mindful relationships involve being fully present and attentive to the people we interact with. These connections can enhance our emotional well-being, improve our understanding of others, and create a harmonious environment. Mindful listening is a crucial skill for effective communication and building strong relationships. Here's how you can practice it. Be fully present. Give your undivided attention, set aside distractions, and focus on the person speaking. Practice non-judgment. Suspend judgments and assumptions, allowing the speaker to express themselves without interruption. Show empathy. Try to understand the speaker's perspective and emotions, acknowledging their feelings and validating their experiences. Reflect and respond mindfully. Before responding, take a moment to reflect and choose your words mindfully, fostering open and honest communication. Mindful communication involves being aware of our words, tone, and body language. Here are some key aspects to consider. Speak with intention. Pause and reflect before speaking, ensuring that your words are kind, honest, and necessary. Use nonviolent language. Avoid blaming, criticizing, or attacking others. Instead, express yourself assertively and respectfully. Be open to feedback. Cultivate an open mindset to receive feedback without defensiveness, promoting growth and understanding in your relationships. Practice patience and compassion. Allow space for others to express themselves fully, showing patience and compassion in your interactions. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. Cultivating empathy deepens our relationships. Here's how to enhance your empathetic skills. Practice active listening. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues, and strive to understand the underlying emotions and needs of others. Imagine yourself in their shoes. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective, which can help you respond with empathy and compassion. Express understanding and validation. Acknowledge the emotions and experiences of others, letting them know that you hear and empathize with them. Conflict is a natural part of relationships. Mindfulness can help us navigate conflicts with compassion and understanding. Here's a mindful approach to conflict resolution. Take a mindful pause. When conflicts arise, take a moment to pause, breathe, and collect your thoughts before responding. Practice active listening and empathy. Seek to understand the perspectives of all parties involved and validate their feelings and concerns. Communicate mindfully. Express your thoughts and emotions calmly and respectfully, using I statements and focusing on finding mutually beneficial solutions. Now, let's experience a guided practice together to cultivate mindfulness in our relationships and communication. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and take a few deep breaths. Take a moment to gently bring your awareness back to the room. Notice how you feel after this guided practice. Remember, cultivating mindful relationships and communication is an ongoing journey that requires practice and patience. In this lesson, we explored the power of mindful relationships and communication. By practicing mindful listening, conscious communication, empathy, and effective conflict resolution, we can nurture deeper connections and create harmonious interactions. Thank you for joining me on this mindful journey. I encourage you to incorporate these practices into your relationships and observe the positive impact they can have. Stay mindful until next time.